Well, for the second time this week, we're going to get a surprise snowfall on the coast. Kev G weather overview. And for more on the Friday snowfall, take a look at the video concerning that for the snowfall that's impacting us for your Friday. But this is a look at the Saturday forecast because a lot has changed in the last 48 hours. The models have brought the precip shield a lot closer to the tri-state area, meaning that, in my view, coastal areas once again will see a period of light to moderate snow on Saturday afternoon into Saturday night before it tapers off. And areas once again to the north and west will not see much at all. So I believe that in a lot of ways it's going to be a carbon copy of the Friday event. Now bear in mind, over the Virginias, the Carolinas, and Delaware, this is a major winter storm, particularly for North Carolina, which is going to get hit very hard with the areas receiving well over a foot of snow in some places in North Carolina. But for our neck of the woods, it's much lighter. Here's the Canadian model, and by 12 or 1 o'clock, you can see the influence of that storm now, much further north than any of the models had it all week long. Very arduous process getting to this forecast debacle, in my view, on Saturday, for your Saturday. And then it pulls away, and you know, the Canadian here, if you looked at it, it would say that it was still snowing in certain places by 7, 8 o'clock on Saturday night. I don't quite believe it. I think it pulls out a little bit faster, but at the end of the day, here's what I'm thinking based on the latest model trends, that, you know, basically it's a carbon copy of your Friday storm for areas in Nassau and New York City and northeast New Jersey. But out east on Long Island and in eastern Connecticut and the same places in New Jersey, I think that several inches could pile up before the storm is done. So with that said, here's your weather on the ground extended forecast. And quite an interesting week of watching the weather. A lot has changed, and if you're a snow lover on the coast, you're really going to like the next 36, 48 hours.